बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी। रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 12 जनवरी 2025 के अखबार में। SM डॉट जाफ़र एंड कंपनी करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी। A reputable engineering company in power generation is looking for services of qualified and highly motivated candidates for the following positions in Islamabad: service engineers, mech/electrician, qualification BTech for DAE, experience minimum 5 years of diesel generating sets with sound knowledge, commissioning, troubleshooting AMF/ATS panels, technicians electrical/mechanical, qualification BTech or DAE, experience minimum 2 to 3 years experience of diesel generating sets with sound knowledge in operation, engine overhauling. Note: reasonable salary package and fringe benefits under company policy will be offered to selected candidates if you fulfill the eligibility criteria as mentioned above. Please send your updated CV with recent photograph on email address hr.smjafar@gmail.com. hr.smjafar@gmail.com. Applicants must mention their region in the email subject. एक और जॉब है, जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी। DG Khan Cement Co Limited is a leading cement manufacturer in Pakistan cement industry. We are looking for qualified, experienced and energetic CRO, clean and vertical mills at our 9000 TBD hub plant. Position: CRO KILN, kiln and vertical mills. Qualification and experience: candidate must possess at least BTech or DAE chemical proven experience of kiln/vertical mill operations 10 years in a similar large capacity cement plants. Excellent in skills in use of ERP, Word, Excel, etc. Excellent planning and organizing skills and ability to priorities work. Strong communication. Age maximum 40 years on closing date. Location: near hub city, 44 km main RCD highway hub. Free pick and drop facility from Karachi or single accommodation at the factory. Other benefits as per company rules. Interested candidates should send their resumes by email with details of their current salary, expected salary and earliest date of joining at recruitment.hub@dgcement.com by 19th January 2025. Please mention position title and subject. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted. Career opportunities. IBA Karachi seeks applications from dynamic and result-oriented individuals for the following full-time positions: General Manager Finance, Assistant Manager Finance, Revenue, SQA Engineer, ICT, Senior Executive IT Governance, Senior Executive Finance Reporting, Senior Executive Finance Revenue, Senior Executive Finance Payable, Senior Technical Project Executive, Executive Finance Pre-Audit, Executive Finance Revenue, Software Support Executive, Junior Data Analyst, Junior Database Administrator, Web Developer, Site Engineer, Civil Library Assistant. For a detailed job description, please visit our career page https://careers.iba.edu.pk. Interested candidates must apply online within 15 days from the publication date of this advertisement. IBA Karachi is an equal opportunity employer. We are encouraged to apply. Human Resources Department, IBA Karachi, University Road, Karachi, UN 111422. अच्छा जी, एक हारादर जनरल हॉस्पिटल कराची की जॉब है। KGH मैनेज्ड by MBJ Health Association state of the art 250 bedded tertiary care postgraduate teaching and training center recognized by CPSP and PMDC. ISO 9001 Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, one of the oldest and busiest unit of city, catering above 6,000 deliveries per year. Applications are invited for following position: consultant obstetrics and gynecology full time, qualification FCPS FRCOG or equivalent, eligibility post FCPS 5 years relevant experience, must be enrolled as supervisor in CPSP. How to apply: applications with a covering letter and detailed CV should be sent to HR Department, KGH Aga Khan Road, Karachi, or email kgh.hospital@gmail.com latest by January 16, 2025. Position vacant. PMA Model Secondary School invites application from eligible and interested candidates to fill following position: principal subject any subject, qualification and experience: master's degree in any subject, B.Ed/M.Ed will be preferred. 05 years experience as principal teacher for secondary section: physics, chemistry, mathematics, Urdu, English, computer science, masters in relevant subject, at least 2 years of teaching experience at school level. PTI/sports teacher, physical, Urdu and sports science, male/female, master/graduate, at least 2 years experience at school level. Note: interested applicants should send their detailed CV to address given at the end till 24th January 2025. PMA Model Secondary School, Mauripur, Hawksbay Road, Karachi. Contact 0321 2206 558, 0321 2206 558. Email PMA Model Secondary School @gmail.com. We are hiring prime HR urgently required below mentioned positions for their food client FMCG located at Korangi Industrial Area. Serial number 1 designation product supervisor. Number of positions 17. Number 2 packers 27. Number 3 trainee operator 4, 4D and R operator 6, 5 and roper operator 2, 6 machine operator 11, 7 Senko oven operator 4. Total 71 requirements. Education minimum metric: experience 2 to 3 years experience in food production company. Benefits: salary market competitive, leaves, gratuity, double overtime. Note: only food manufacturing company employee is required. Interested candidates may send their resume at the below contact. Name: Fayyaz Ahmad, 0307 2340775, 0307 2340775. Don't forget to mention job title in your message. Please share your CV on WhatsApp. Prime HR. ज़रूरत है ई कॉमर्स प्लेटफॉर्म कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन के सामने काम करने के लिए लड़की और लड़कियां दरकार हैं। तजुर्बा ज़रूरी नहीं, फ्रेश भी राब्ता करें। उम्र 22 से 35 साल, ज़ायद उम्र से माजरत। सैलरी 25,000 से 35,000 प्लस कमीशन। टाइमिंग 3 शिफ्ट में 8 घंटे काम के लिए। सुबह 5 बजे से शाम 4 बजे तक, शाम 4 बजे से रात 12 बजे तक, रात 12 बजे से सुबह 8 बजे तक। राबता 0321 745, 0321 745. Restaurant staff required: assistant manager, kitchen, graduate diploma in hotel management / culinary arts, 3 to 4 years experience. Pan Asian cook, 3 to 4 years experience. Chinese cook, 3 to 4 years experience. Drop your resume at recruitment.restmanagement@gmail.com. WhatsApp 033052510270, 033052510270. Sales officer required for retail outlet in DHA should have at least 3 years sales experience in any branded retail outlet, should be graduate. Send your CV to naumanhabib977@gmail.com. Nauman, Nauman, Habib, Habib 977@gmail.com. Shortlisted candidates will be contacted. अच्छा जी, आगा खान सर्विस पाकिस्तान की जॉब है, जॉब अनाउंसमेंट। द आगा खान एजुकेशन सर्विस पाकिस्तान AKESPN इंस्टीट्यूशन। ये बता देती हूँ, AKESP सेंट्रल ऑफिस इनवाइट्स एप्लीकेशंस फ्रॉम एलिजिबल एंड इंटरेस्टेड कैंडिडेट्स टू फिल द फॉलोइंग पोजीशन: फैसिलिटीज़ मैनेजमेंट लीड सेंट्रल ऑफिस इस्लामाबाद. The facilities management lead is responsible for overseeing the maintenance and systems. अच्छा, ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा. At AKES Pakistan 155 plus properties across Gilgit, Chitral and Sindh, including schools, hostels, offices and faculty housing. The candidate will manage AKES Peace property portfolio, focusing on budgeting, team management. The role requires managing multiple projects, traveling to remote locations and adapting to flexible working hours. अच्छा, ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा, इसका आप लोग स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा. ठीक है जी. ये आप लोग इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें. द आइडियल कैंडिडेट शुड हैव अ बैचलर्स डिग्री in engineering, a master's degree in facility management or business administration would be a plus. Additionally, the candidate significant experience in a senior management role in a relevant field. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted. Interested applicants can directly apply online at www.akespcareers.org, www.akespcareers.org. latest by January 12, 2025. latest by January 22nd 2025. अच्छा जी, ये इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ प्रोफेशनल साइकोलॉजी, बहरिया यूनिवर्सिटी, डिस्कवरी नॉलेज की जॉब है. करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी: Bahria University invites application for following post at Karachi campus. Position: lift operator. Qualification: matric/equivalent. Experience/knowledge: experience of 3 years as lift operator in any organization. Desirous candidate may forward their applications and CVs hard copy to Institute of Professional Psychology, Bahria University, Karachi campus on the address given below. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for interview. Last date of submission is 16 January 2025. Commander retired Farhan Riaz Malik. Manager admin at Institute of Professional Psychology, Bahria University, Karachi campus, 13 National Stadium Road, Karachi. Telephone number 92219924001314, 92219924001314. फौरी ज़रूरत पर आए टेक्निकल स्टाफ: इलेक्ट्रीशियन, AC टेक्नीशियन, प्लम्बर, पेंटर, कारपेंटर, हेल्पर. तालीम: 3 साल डिप्लोमा, उम्र 20 से 40 साल. ट्रांसपोर्ट और रिहाइश कंपनी की तरफ से. ख्वाहिशमंद हजरात 30 जनवरी तक रब्ता करें. मुआविन फैसिलिटी मैनेजमेंट pvt.ltd.dha लाहौर. व्हाट्सएप 0306467707, 0306467707. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन @muawinfacilities.com. छिपा कॉल सेंटर के लिए लड़कों की ज़रूरत है. छिपा वेलफेयर के शोबर अफरादी क़ुव्वत को बड़ी तादाद में छिपा कॉल सेंटर के लिए मैट्रिक पास नौजवान लड़कों की ज़रूरत है जो कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटर भी हो। पुरकशिश पैकेज दरख्वास्त शनाख्ती कार्ड की फ़ोटोकॉपी, एक अदद हालिया पासपोर्ट साइज़ की तस्वीर और मुकम्मल कवाइफ के हमरा। इंटरव्यू के लिए सुबह 10 बजे तशरीफ़ लाएँ। नोट, ओरिजिनल शनाख्ती कार्ड, ओरिजिनल तालीमी सर्टिफिकेट और दीगर ओरिजिनल असनाद इंटरव्यू के वक्त अपने साथ लाजमी तौर पर ज़रूर लेकर आएँ। राब्ता फ़ोन 10-20 छिपा हेड ऑफिस, FTC पुल शाहराह फैसल कराची। छिपा वेलफेयर को ड्राइवरों की ज़रूरत है। छिपा वेलफेयर के शोबर अफरादी क़ुव्वत को बड़ी तादाद में ड्राइवरों की ज़रूरत है। दरख्वास्त शनाख्ती कार्ड की फ़ोटोकॉपी के हमरा इंटरव्यू के लिए सुबह 10 बजे तशरीफ़ लाएँ। राब्ता फ़ोन 10-20 छिपा हेड ऑफिस, FTC पुल शाहराह फैसल कराची। क्रिएटिव वीडियो कैमरामैन की ज़रूरत है जो कम से कम 2 से 3 साल किसी चैनल या प्रोडक्शन हाउस में काम करने का मुकम्मल तजुर्बा रखते हों। दरख्वास्त के हमरा इंटरव्यू के लिए सुबह 10 बजे तशरीफ़ लाएँ। राब्ता फ़ोन 10-20 छिपा हेड ऑफिस, FTC पुल शाहराह फैसल कराची। Leadership opportunities await a renowned and diversified group with a strong legacy in excellence is seeking visionary leaders to join our team in the following key positions: Chief Executive Officer, CEO, DG Construction Projects, Director Admin, HR Security, Chief Financial Officer, CFO. How to apply? Interested candidates are encouraged to send their detailed resumes to HR@eworldwidegroup.com, career@eworldwidegroup.com. Water World International required staff. Position Sales Manager, male/female, qualification MBA, having 2 years minimum experience. Sales Executive, male/female, BBA, having 2 years minimum experience. Sales Coordinator, male/female, BBA/graduate, having 2 years minimum experience. Social Media Expert, male/female, BBA/graduate, having 2 years minimum experience. Apply now. waterworldinternational@gmail.com, waterworldinternational@gmail.com। अच्छा जी, ये पीपल्स स्टील मिल्स लिमिटेड की जॉब है। रिक्वायरमेंट्स: मास्टर डिग्री इन बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, मार्केटिंग और रिलेटेड फील्ड। Engineering degree in mechanical/metallurgy engineers will be preferred. 20+ years of experience in sales and marketing, at least 5 years in leadership position with a strong focus on the steel industry or related sectors. Proven track record of business development/marketing of steel/engineering products. Adequate knowledge of governmental policies such as fiscal, tariff, trade and industrial policies, and execution of government policies and statutory orders. How to apply? Interested professionals meeting the above criteria may apply through email at hr@psmltd.com within 15 days of the publication of this advertisement. 12 जनवरी 2025 का ये ऐड है। तो जी, ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।